Now, your 9 Storm Track weather forecast.
Well, it's no doubt it's a cold one out there, but let's take a look at if that's going to change anytime soon. Here's what we're tracking. Extreme cold outside tonight as wind chills will be approaching -40 to -45 degrees. So try to stay indoors, try to bundle up. If you are traveling outside, you're going to be outside for an extended period of time. Let those around you know that you will be out in that cold. Light batch of snow headed our way shortly. That's going to be arriving tomorrow night and could be bringing us a trace to an inch. Not too much, but enough to coat the roadways. And slight warming later on this week as we'll eventually move back closer to normal. Today, much colder than average. Typically, we'd be sitting around 22 degrees. Our daytime high, 6 below. Overnight low also very cold, down to -17. We're looking to be even colder out there tonight. That extreme cold warning, as you can see, extended across the entire state of Wisconsin. That runs from tonight all the way through noon on Tuesday. Now we take a look here at our Future Track wind chill, and you can see right now we're already seeing wind chill values around -20 to -30 degrees. So extremely cold if you're outside, dangerously cold, we might say, as you can develop frostbite in a matter of 5 or 6 minutes with exposed skin and wind chills like this. 9-10 o'clock tonight, wind chill around -30 once again, and by early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., take a look at these numbers, around -40 to -45, even -48 degrees up in the Northwoods. So extreme cold and dangerous cold if you're not prepared for conditions like this. As we track throughout our Tuesday, you can see by the afternoon, here's 4 o'clock, we are looking at wind chill still hovering around -20 degrees or so. So extreme cold still sticking with us. Here's our morning temperature tracker. Early morning temperatures starting once again below zero the next couple of days. But by the weekend, our mornings will be up closer to the teens. Afternoons will be much more seasonal, with highs in the 20s and even some 30s possible later into next week. Our clouds and radar not showing much out there right now. Future Track not going to show much for tonight. We will remain clear and dry. We're still going to have that very dry air. Got to put on a little bit more chapstick this time of year. As we track throughout our Tuesday, you can see a few clouds working in by the afternoon. Here's 6 o'clock in the evening. Won't be until late Tuesday night, though, that we see any snowfall. So you can see around midnight as we track over into Wednesday, we'll see a couple of light snow showers start to develop, moving in out of the northwest. Maybe another light dusting here for Wednesday morning. Then that could make for a bit of a slippery early start to Wednesday. But as we mentioned, we're not tracking much. Very little expected for the afternoon. Our snow potential for Tuesday night into Wednesday is about a trace to an inch across the state of Wisconsin. Overnight forecast tonight, -22 degrees with a northwest wind about 5 miles per hour. Daytime high tomorrow is 4 below. Northwest winds of 10 to 15. Our extended forecast moving forward, as we mentioned, does get a little bit warmer by the end of the week. We're at 18 on Wednesday, 17 Thursday, and 21 on Friday. Moving into the weekend, we'll be sitting pretty in the mid-20s.